what's your sense of the payback from DFM?
It can be huge.
Yeah.
It can be huge. You listed already in your questions some of the major points. Work in progress. Parts which I have partially bent or not completely fabricated yet are sitting on my shop floor. We all know the longer the parts they sit on the shop floor, the worse they get.
Yeah.
You know, the forklifts are driving, people are walking. A part should not sit too long on the shop floor.
Yeah.
For those who are focusing a little bit more on financial and costs, there is also a lot of money is bound. Everything what's sitting on the shop floor is not yet to be invoiced.
It's a bad place to inventory.
It's inventory, and inventory is cost.
Mm-hmm.
The next thing is capacity of the factory. Maybe that press brake, which is currently busy on a very urgent job, is maybe busy for the rest of the day. So my next job lines up behind that press brake. That all becomes a logistic and production planning issue. All that costs. And simply the sheer fact that I am producing a panel bender part complete on the panel bender within half a minute to 1 minute to, let's say, 2 minutes. It doesn't matter if it is a very complicated part. That part is completely done.
Right.
And I have no secondary operation. I do not do any tooling setups. This is something we have forgotten on a Salvagnini panel bender complete. We are not worrying about setup anymore. This is something from the past. Mm-hmm. Then, with all the software packages which I have connected to my panel bender, I have the full control in the production planning. I am reporting back to the production planning system, the job is done. I can even give a prognosis when it will be done. So there is all possibilities today. And when we all put that together into a spreadsheet and calculate the cost savings, I think it is huge. And that can make a very big difference if we are, with a certain product on the market, really highly competitive. Mm-hmm. Regardless who our competition is. Even from a very, very cheap labor country, we have many of those on the planet, maybe they cannot bite us anymore because we are just as simple, just as efficient as we can be.
Yes.
And totally flexible and very, very fast to the market. I just think always when we are here in the United States and I am a local producer of, let's say, office furniture, mm-hmm. If I do this office furniture in a very, very efficient way and I'm selling it on my market where I live, here in the United States, I cannot see that somebody from overseas can compete against me just alone because of the transport time and transport cost. And for that reason, I think this is very, very important. So many companies are simply finding a very big motivation in making those parts capable to run on a panel bender, designed for manufacturing, mm-hmm. because simply all these benefits are coming now with every product they are doing. Today in the morning, you and me, we looked on a very simple example from some folks up in Belfast, Northern Ireland, in Europe. They have a Salvagnini panel bender since many years. They are now looking to buy a new one. They had one new developed product where they were not sure, can it run on my new machine? Can it run on the old machine? Sent it over. We did a quick design for manufacturing. Took at the end of the day, maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And the product family is now okay to run either on the old machine or on the new machine. Problem solved. And it's one headache less, I would say. So the cost saving, to answer your question, to summarize it, can be huge.
Yeah.
Big.